Most people believe they have more time than they actually do. When we are young, the future feels endless. There will always be another conversation, another visit, another chance to say something important like, I love you. The idea that time could quietly run out rarely crosses our minds. Because life feels long, we look forward. We imagine years ahead of us where things will slow down, where we will finally have time to focus on what truly matters. Time becomes something we assume will always be available later. And so we postpone. We postpone conversations, we postpone appreciation, we postpone saying the things that feel uncomfortable or, in fact, vulnerable. Not because we don't care, but because we believe there will always be another opportunity. But life rarely unfolds according to that belief. Time moves quietly in the background while we are busy with responsibilities, work, and daily routines. Years pass faster than expected, and suddenly we realize that some moments don't repeat. The strange thing is that this realization often arrives later in life. We begin to see that the things we postponed were often the things that mattered the most. A conversation, an honest conversation, a thank you, and obviously an apology, or just a simple moment of connection. This is where emotional gratitude becomes so powerful. Emotional gratitude forces you to experience appreciation while the moment is actually happening. Instead of assuming there will always be more time, it brings your attention to what exists right now. That is one of the reasons I created the Book of Your Life. It's a framework designed to help people pause for a few minutes each day and reflect on the people and moments that shape their lives. Because awareness changes behavior. The honest truth about time is this: most people do not run out of time. They simply spend years believing they have more than they really do.